Hello friends, this is one of my favorite Malai Tandoori chicken and you're watching Home Cooking with Soham. So we are using the roasted coriander seeds, roasted cumin seeds, the green chilies just mashed it, and a whole garam masala powder, and then we have the ginger garlic paste. I'm putting some roasted gram flour. This will help the marination to stick to the chicken and it gives a nice flavor as well. And then the yogurt, and over here I'm using the cashew nut paste. So you have peeled cashew nuts, soak them in a nice hot water for 15 minutes. When they get soft, you just make a fine paste out of it. And the lemon juice, as salt to taste. Remember, we are putting some salt in chicken as well, so just be careful with the salt. And lots of black pepper. It's a great spice, gives a great distinctive flavor to the chicken. And then just a bit of butter just to flavor as well. Then we mix all together very nicely and then leave it aside. So I'm taking a whole chicken over here. As you can see, I've scored the chicken from all the sides. The more scoring give more flavor, and because we're cooking a whole, it's on the bone, it will not get dry, stay moist till the end. And then you add a salt, make sure you rub the salt from all the sides. And now we're gonna add the marination which we made before. The marination, it's the same action. Take it with the salt, you marinate the chicken from all sides. Of course, give a small massage so the marination, it's getting in the chicken to impart more flavor. Remember to go all the sides of the chicken and create a great marination to the product. And now we're going to bake in the oven for 170 degrees for 40 minutes. A good tandoori chicken is incomplete without a great mint chutney. Again, one of my favorites: garlic, chili, lime, cumin, ginger, yogurt, a good handful bunch of coriander and mint leaves fresh, which we're gonna blend it very fine. Again, the lime juice as well, which will help to keep the color of the mint chutney. So make a nice puree, and then we have the Malai Chicken Tandoori served with mint chutney. I hope you enjoyed the video and like and share please.